Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to check for the system updates on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the general option and tap on it. And here select the software update. Now your watch should start looking for the updates available updates. And as you can see, my watch has the update available, and I can scroll down and tap on the install button to start installing it. If you want to install update, I recommend to charge your watch first, or simply place it on the charger during the update, so it won't the battery won't die and the update won't fail. Okay, so like I said before, if you want to start the updating, simply tap on install and wait until the update is complete. And you can also turn on or off the automatic updates if you want to. And that's about it. That's how you check for the system updates. Once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.